Hey guys, this is a review of a Defiant, or it's a 1000 lumen flashlight, and I got it at Home Depot for $30. It's powered by 3D batteries, and sorry if I pronounced the company name wrong, but let's go ahead and unbox this. So I'm going to use my Sarah KT Kiss Pack. Let's see if I need it. Unbox this. You have to return this if you easy to. Sorry, my hands are getting in the way of the product being unboxed. That is how you unbox it. Here we go, we got the flashlight. Set that aside, don't even need my knife. There you go. So, button right there. Because it has a high and low setting. I think the low setting is 500 lumens. Oh, it's actually on. Alright, please stand a little bit. Alright, that's high. That's low. High, low. High, and low. Well, I think I definitely like this flashlight, especially for $30. Thanks for watching, and bye.